What is going on with Internet Computer ICP token? Well, it has been running within this very tight range here between about $5 and about $4.60 to $5, which is a very boring range for even me. Okay. Um, and I know a lot of people are saying this is horrendous price action. Yes, I couldn't agree more, right? Because it's been running within this just very tight range here. Now, does it mean that it's not going to be doing anything for this bull cycle? Chances are it's very likely not. That there's going to be some major price action going on here soon with ICP and as with a lot of these other altcoins here, because when the bull cycle gets really crazy and heated up, and I think it's about to do that based on total 3 charts, that it's about to break. It looks like it could be breaking that 1.15 trillion market cap resistance. And when that does, then these altcoins are going to get really crazy. But a lot of this is going to depend on Bitcoin, of course. I talked about Bitcoin earlier today with a longer video. And there could be a front running signal for Bitcoin here just right before the FOMC meeting next week. And I think it's going to be a very bullish FOMC meeting because we're going to have a rate cut coming. And I think this could be a start of the rate cut cycle, where there's going to be cheaper money coming into the markets at lower interest rates, just like we've seen back in 2021, 2010s. So some things to be bullish about. Now, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinion on this market is bullish, but these are just my opinions and not financial advice. You guys have to form your own opinions. Now, I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin. I will also link you guys to my longer Bitcoin video today after this video. Let's get back into ICP here. So this is the weekly time frame. What is the future of ICP? So let's see here. Falling wedge pattern. I've been talking about this pattern for forever for ICP. And this pattern is a bullish pattern that has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. Okay, of course, mind the downside risk as well because I've seen falling wedges break down as well. Now, price target, if it breaks out by this point, for example, price target would be still about $24 ICP. Now, from within this pattern, because ICP is towards the middle of the pattern here, I talked about a few scenarios. And I have invalidated some scenarios. A possible cup and handle scenario, I think I talked about last time, where I have invalidated it, okay? However, you guys can see that this is a double bottom here as well, right? And it is actually trying to stay on top of that double bottom here. What I'm talking about is this. This is the daily time frame. I think I have actually just spotted this right now. And right here is your double bottom. Your neckline of that double bottom would be about $4.90. No, excuse me. Yeah, about $4.95. It's trying to stay above that right now with the daily candle close. Okay, if this is actually able to stay above that, that tells me that this breakout is still valid, right? Then the price target would be about $5.30. Now, it is also running within a smaller pattern, a falling wedge pattern. Okay, that's probably more valid on a smaller time frame here, hourly time frame. Okay, I don't have exactly 3 candles touching, but I think it's close enough. And the price target for this would be about $5.25. Okay, which would be pretty close to that double bottom price target. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. Very much depends on what happens with Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin dumps, that's not going to be good for your altcoins. So some things to be paying attention to, not just your altcoins, but also Bitcoin. Now, this basically wraps it up for this ICP video. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of ICP or any other coins in this market by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis.